Hi, my name is Nate and I'm with Paradise RV Rentals. In this video, we will be going over how to dump the waste tanks on your RV. This is what people dread the most about the RV experience, and I'm sure you do too. However, we are here to walk you through every step of the process. The process is fairly simple, and to ensure an easy and mess-free experience, take your time, make sure your hoses are securely tightened, and make sure you didn't put anything down the commode or sinks that you're not supposed to. The only things that are allowed in the commodes are your business, RV quick dissolving toilet tissue, and drop-ins. A couple tips for you in using the bathroom. After you use the bathroom, you will need to flush for an extra 10 to 15 seconds. The more water you have in the tank, the easier it will be to dump the tank. Do not overuse the toilet paper. Use it sparingly, and only use certified RV quick dissolving bathroom tissue. You will find this at Walmart, RV supply stores, and most grocery stores, and will be supplied with 2 rolls before departure. For the sinks and showers, please do not put food or other items down there, only soapy water. Things that are not allowed in the commode are paper towels, feminine products, toys, Kleenex or tissues, food, or really anything other than waste, toilet paper, and drop-ins. Emptying the tanks is as easy as pulling the levers. You'll want to do this in sequential order depending on if you're at a campsite or a dump station. Whether you're at a dump station or a campsite, make sure the remainder of the black tank is filled with water, if the tank is not already full. At the dump station, you will pull the black lever first. Once you hear the waste in the water stop, you are free to pull the gray lever. The gray tank will act as a flush to help clean out the sewer hose. If you are connected at a campsite, you can go ahead and open the gray lever to let the gray waste drain as needed. The black lever, however, you will want to keep closed until it is full. Note, this is very important. Keeping the black tank closed until it is full is necessary. It will help prevent clogs. The black tank collects solid waste. If it is left open, the waste will collect at the bottom and the liquid will run over top. After a while, it will clog the tank and make it very difficult to dump. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much and happy camping.